To see options charts in TradingView, you need to have a basic understanding of the platform and its features. First, create an account on TradingView and log in to access the various tools and charts available. Once logged in, navigate to the Chart section by clicking on the Charts tab. In the Charts tab, you can search for a specific stock or asset for which you want to view the options chart. Type the stock symbol in the search bar and select it from the drop-down list. This will open the stock chart, and from here, you can access the options chart. To view the options chart, click on the Options tab below the chart. This tab will display a list of available options contracts for the selected stock, including calls and puts. You can filter the options by expiration date, strike price, and type. Select the options contract you want to view, and a new chart will open displaying the options data. The options chart shows the price movement of the options contract over time, allowing you to analyze and make informed trading decisions. In the options chart, you can apply various indicators and tools to analyze the data. TradingView offers a range of indicators, including moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. You can also draw trend lines, support, and resistance levels to identify patterns and trends. To get the most out of the options chart, it is essential to understand the key concepts, such as open interest, volume, and implied volatility. Open interest represents the total number of outstanding options contracts, while volume indicates the number of contracts traded. Implied volatility shows the market's expectation of future price movements. By analyzing these metrics and using the various tools and indicators available on TradingView, you can gain valuable insights into the options market and make more informed trading decisions. Remember to always keep your trading strategy in mind and adjust your analysis accordingly. In conclusion, viewing options charts in TradingView is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of the platform and its features. By following these steps and applying the key concepts and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of options trading and achieve your financial goals.